fish out here. I see him jumping. Yes, sir, got him. Here in Perch Pastures, y'all, water looks to be a little bit high, but we're gonna make it work. Most definitely. Gonna catch some pike or some perch. We're gonna catch something out here today. All right, y'all, let's get it. We're gonna start out with this. I don't know what this is, but it's got red flakes, red and black flakes, Christmas color. Kind of looks like a leech to me. That hog boss weedless hook. We're gonna come at them slow. Water seems to be a little bit high, but it ain't gonna stop us from taking a dip. We do got some action out here. There are fish jumping. Give Mr. Pike or Mr. Perch a nice little easy meal right here. At least they think it's an easy meal. They're gonna catch us these hooks. Let me get in here and take a little dip in this smelly water. Okay, here we go. We're gonna see how deep it is today. Try not to fall, Watson. Eee. All right, so far so good. It is extremely deep today. Hope it's not too deep to get across, y'all. Walk this shelf. Let's get up here a little bit. See if we can find it to be a little bit shallower. And this water's deep today. Ooh, and extremely muddy. Nope, I don't think we're gonna make it across, y'all. Dang, water's too deep. What we'll do is we'll walk down the bank, cross on the other side, start from the top of the river. Current is powerful, y'all. Normally it's down to my shin. Right now it's up to my thighs. Tell you what, I would not be able to go this way if this was not a rock bottom, or a stone bottom rather. I would put a pause on this and go somewhere else. This water is kicking. Woo. And we're gonna lean forward and push and try not to get swept off our feet. Where are they releasing all this water? Oh. Ooh, don't fall, Watson. Don't fall. Will not be cool. Oh, it's getting deeper. Come on, get shallower. There we go. Hit a little quiet area. Gosh. Woo. That was a workout. Oh, I don't like that deep spot. That was a little bit of a workout, y'all. Okay. Dig in. Whew. Gosh, that was some work. Oh. Okay, here we go. Whew. Man, whew. That was a little bit exhausting. I don't know. I'm gonna have to be careful when I head back. That's the trying to think. That's really the only way I can get across right now. And that water's rushing pretty good. Gotta make sure I be careful. Oh, that looked like a little hole right there. So we're gonna start at the top of the creek and work our way back. We're gonna catch some fish today. We're gonna catch some pike. We're gonna catch some perch. We're gonna get it in, son. Maybe we even get it like a good sized chub or something like that. Wouldn't that be dope? Let's get in over here and get started. There's fish out here. There are fish out here. I see them jumping. Yes, sir. Got him. What is it? Looks like a baby pike. Yep. Got us a baby pike. Don't you do it. Ah, knew it. I knew it. Oh, now he's caught on me. Oh, you dog. Oh, you dog. Stop it. Oh, stop it. Oh, man. We're really screwed. We're really screwed here, guys. Look at this. Oh, I just got slapped. Come on. Lesson learned, y'all. Not gonna use this jacket to go fishing again. Look at that. Golly. Well, anglers, since I got that little crankbait stuck in my jacket, I gotta go to another bait. So we're gonna go with this number 2 spinner right here. It's one of my favorite little baits anyway. Yep. Little perch. Uh-oh. Oh, this is what was jumping. That's what was jumping. Little baby perch. He's a beauty though. Off the number 2 spinner. You gotta love that. Every time, come right at the bottom of the chin. Cut him right at the bottom of the chin. Barely got him. You almost missed it. Oh, be still. Uh-oh. All right, buddy. Let's show you off a little bit. Let's show you off a little bit. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Just let him go. Boom. Look. Oh, caught one already. Ooh, that's a good. Oh, lost him. That was a decent little pike, man. That was a decent little pike. See if he dares to hit it again. Something's hitting it. Yeah, I'm hitting the bottom. He didn't quite have it. Got to be careful when the pike turn. They'll turn on your line, and that's how they spit the hook. Scaring that little baby fish. Little perch got it out of nowhere. A bunch of you little suckers coming out of the grass. At least I got a good, ouch. At least I got a little good hook set on you though. Good hook set this time. Little aggressive sucker. There. Wonder if that's the one I missed. Let's get over there and see. There he is. I saw him get it. As soon as I paused it, oh, I caught him up under the chin again. God, come on. Little sucker grabbed it as soon as I paused it. Another one right up underneath the chin.